Okay, we are going to look very quickly at how to get the screenshots you need for your personalized project reference for the AP Computer Science Principles Create project. There are a total of 4 sections you're going to need to upload these to. For test security reasons, I'm not going to go in to an actual AP classroom. Your teacher can help you find that, or if you're a teacher watching this, um, you want to go to the digital portfolio through AP Central. If you need help finding that, feel free to shoot me an email at info@computersciencecoach.com, and I can help you out with that. But there's kind of 2 options, really 3, of getting your screenshots. Again, we want to use that snipping tool that we use for the video. It's down here and it's in Windows, so you can come in and do snip. So I'm actually using it to record a video right now. So some of the stuff I need to show up on screen may not show up, but it'll still let me work with the snipping tool within the video. So depending on the size of your function, so one thing you're going to have to get a screenshot of is going to be your student created procedure. That procedure must use a parameter, and it also must involve an algorithm that uses selection and iteration. The materials through College Board have been a little bit confusing ever since the course started. It's kind of changed frequently, but I still say sequencing, selection, and iteration. Sequencing is just code that runs in order. Selection would be an if statement. Iteration would be a loop or a recursive algorithm. Most students are probably going to find it easier to do a loop. So one section I need to find is going to be the definition of the procedure. So right here, I'm on the still camera, not the video camera. I'm going to click new. I want to change my setting to a rectangle, new, and now I can get just the definition of that function. It will then prompt me. I can make changes if I need to, but I save it. It's going to be, I think I can save it as a PNG or a JPEG, and that's all there is to it. All right, so that is my function definition. This is not an actual AP project, so please don't use this either. But I want to now do a different one because I also need to show that function being called somewhere. So I'm going to scroll up here. I'm going to do another snip, new, and now I'm going to get an example of the function being called with an argument passed through. I've got that. I would save that. Okay, something else I'm going to need would be a list. So I need to get a screenshot of the list with showing the data being added to it. So again, I can come and I could do, depending on which one I want to use, I'm going to do the price list, even though I'm showing 2 lists. I probably would want to redo that for confusion reasons, but I'm going to talk about price list. I'm just going to, you're going to see the full thing. Okay, so I would have that. Then I need to show the list being used somewhere. So price list being used is right here. So I would want to snip a section of that, showing the list being used. I don't have to share the whole function. If you want to, you can. It might make it easier. So I'm actually going to have that same thing again, but it would allow me on my written response to be able to show, okay, I am accessing various indexes in price list. All right, and those are the 4 screenshots I'm going to do. I'd use block mode there. A lot of students are more comfortable with block mode. You can also do it from text mode and get the screenshots. Or you could go back to your full project code PDF and copy it, get your screenshots from there. It is up to you. One thing you do want to make sure you do, and I forgot to do this on my video for the PDF, you want to make sure your font size is at least 12 to make it a little bit bigger. But other than that, you're just going to get those screenshots, put them in the appropriate place in the digital portfolio, and everything we've done can be done in Windows 11 with built-in tools. For the screenshots in particular, previous versions of Windows work as well. Alrighty, good luck, and hopefully you all do well with your projects.